one day, he knew I wasn't really doing nothing up there. You know, I was just chilling, trying to wait till the shop opened here. So then basically he was like, hey, Jeezy, man, like, come on down to the shop, man. You know, I'm working at the shop now, man. You ain't doing nothing up there, bro. Come on down here and basically work here with me.
In Vallejo?
Yeah, in Vallejo. So I was like, all right, man, all right. At first I was like, nah, I'm not gonna work at no other shop until this opens. But then I was like, he right. I ain't doing nothing. I did need the money. I did need money in my pocket. So I was like, all right, let's go. So I went down there instantly. You know what I mean? I don't know why I had all my equipment in this car. He was like, man, just bring it, just in case. So then I went down there. I brought it. Basically, I approached dude that owned the barbershop, and he was like, hey, bro, do you know what I'm saying? I heard you want to, you know, I heard you needed a job. I heard you wanted to work down here. And I was like, yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? I need a place to work. So he was like, you got your stuff right now? I was like, yeah, I got it. He was like, set up right here. So he basically just, boom, I ain't had do no interview, no none of that. I'm boom, right there that day.
Now, did he know your status of where you were going, or did he know of you, or?
Oh yeah, now during that time he knew that I was somebody. My name was getting out there a little bit, so I was like, he treated me as of stature. Oh, okay. Basically, is what I'm saying. He treated me like I was on the come up. So first day working there, everything is all good. You know what I'm saying? Me and Mario, we cutting hair. It's slow for me though. I probably got one person come in here like, oh man, you cut here? Oh, that's what's up. I'm about to get a cut. It was many of people, you know, because it was in that area. It was like kind of the hoodish area, and that was on Tennessee Street. You know where Tennessee Street, where the barber school is right now. That was kind of the hood area in that time. So, you know, people would come in and be like, oh man, 36 Jeezy, you working here? Oh snap, man! Oh, you at the barber school, barber college, man? How much you charging now? So they, you know, they used to have a big thing because I was charging $20. Oh, you taxing? People used to say that, but I was staying strong to my heck. Nah, man, I done went to barber school. I done went did all of this. I'm about to ride this out. So I had gained clientele based off of cutting one person, cutting one person. Same thing that happened here. Basically, I was just like on the same thing. Like, let me cut somebody. That person gonna tell that person. So that's what started happening within that day. So I worked there for about at least, I want to say 3 days, bro. And this incident happened to where I was like, man, I was shaken up. So basically what happened was this dude had came in. I was cutting hair. This dude came in. Now, he came in which would look like a rolled up jacket or a sweater or something like that. He came in, 2 people came in. He came in, dude stayed at the door. Now, dude just standing at the door. Dude come in with a gray jacket, go to the back where the owner was. They sitting here arguing. Oh, no, man. No, man. No, you gonna get this. No, man, you gonna give me my money. No, man. Heck no, man. Blah, blah, blah. You just hearing this in the back while you cutting.
Do you think he's a previous barber, or he's just somebody outside of the barber industry?
Whatever transaction that they had back in the days, I don't know what was going on, bro. But whatever he wanted it. Whatever it was, he owed him something. You know what I'm saying? So they arguing in the back. Yeah, you gonna have my money. And the next thing that come out of his mouth is, man, and if you don't got my money, everybody in here getting stripped. Bro, when I heard that, I'm looking at Mario like, Mario more about that life than I am. I'm like, okay. So I'm just sitting here cutting, acting like I don't hear it. Like I ain't hearing nothing. My heart is starting to beat right now because he's like, dang, dude over there at the front door, just standing there, mind you. Now you may think, oh, Jeezy, why you didn't run out? Why you didn't just leave? Right. Dude is over there at the front door, guarding it. You know what I'm saying? So it's kind of like, okay, am I going to start something with this dude? Or I'm going to just continue cutting like everything is all good? I continue to cut like everything's all good. Your boy ended up, you know, they still arguing back there. They still talking. But long story short, they done made it right. So basically, he walk out. Boom, they walk out. It's good. Now, I'm thinking in my mind, I'm about to get the heck up out of here. I'm about to grab my license. I'm about to grab all my tools. Soon as I cut this client, I'm gone. The owner comes up to me talking about, hey, Jeezy, hey, I know what you're thinking. Listen, relax. It's all good. Everything gonna be okay. You know, this normally don't happen. And I'm sorry. He was being real apologetic. Everything that he was saying to try to get me to stay because he knew how valuable I was. You know what I'm saying? So he trying to say anything. So I say, you know what? Didn't nothing happen. You know what I mean? We ain't gonna talk about how he just walked in here with a gray hoodie, which appeared to have a gun in it. We ain't gonna talk about that. I'm gonna give you another chance. 3 days go by from prior. This dude shows up, sits down right here next to me with a bat. Mind you, the owner is sitting next to me over here where this beam is. You see this beam right here? Yeah. I'm cutting right there. Basically, the owner is sitting on the couch right there. So, boom. A person sits right here, right in front of me, because there's chairs right here lined up. So he sits in front of me with a bat. Now in my mind, I'm thinking, oh snap. Here we go. Another dude just walking in the shop with a bat? Oh man. So I turn my client chair around, grab them masters, them heavy duty handy masters. I'm like, if anything go down, I'm swinging it and ducking and running. You know what I mean? I'm not about to just sit there and stay and tussle it out. I got too much to lose, okay? I got too much to, I got stuff, I'm coming up right now at this point. So I got too much to lose. So I'm cutting here, I'm keeping my eye on him, I'm still cutting. Next thing you know, this dude gets up with the bat. Bah! Hit the wall. Now the owner, he's trying to aim for the owner. The owner came this close of ducking. Bow! He put a hole in the wall. Straight dent. If he didn't duck at the time that he was ducking, he would have got knocked out with that bat. It would have been a wrap. After he made that hole in the wall, he grabbed the bat. They start tussling. They fighting for the bat. They sitting here going off like it's real mayhem at this point. And I'm sitting here looking like, dog, I should have, in my mind, I'm thinking, why am I still here? I should have left a long time ago. So I'm sitting here like, man, soon as he leave, as this is all over, I'm up out of here. I'm grabbing my stuff. Ain't gonna be none of that. It's over. You said that this wasn't gonna happen the first time. It happened again. I'm done.
So after he swung the bat and he missed, what happened after that? He
swung the bat. Bow! It got into the wall. So now it's like it's dang near not stuck, but because he went through the wall, he got to have time to pull it out. So by then he grabbed the bat and they tussling with it. They got the bat, he got the bat, and they just kind of tussling, holding the bat. So basically what happened was the dude that got fired, he's the dude that got fired. I'm the person that took his spot. I don't know what was going on between them. I don't know what happened between them, but I heard talks in the shop of how this dude was lazy. He wasn't really cutting like that. He was barely there. I had to fire him. Boom. That was the talk in the shop. So I don't know. He came back. He was mad, upset that, he got replaced. So the owner tried to talk to me again. Hey, yo, Jeezy, check it out, man. I don't normally do this stuff like this. I know I said this last time. Stuff don't normally happen like this. I hear what you're talking about. I understand what you're saying and everything. It's all good. Don't worry about it. Hey, it's all good. It's all good. Hey, don't even trip. Hey, I'm here for you. Nah, I'm not grabbing my things at that time, but this is in my head. I'm like, nah, this is over. I'm already mentally gone. Soon as I leave up out of here, I wasn't even able to grab my license. I just made sure I got all my equipment and got up out of there. Told Mario, hey, yo, grabbed my license. I was out of there quick.